In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a table in Confluence. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your page which has a table, and you want to click on this edit button top right or press E on your keyboard, and now you can click anywhere inside your table, and this way you can edit it. So you can click in any of these fields, and you can start typing in whatever you want, just like this. As you can see, it's pretty simple, and that way you can of course edit every single field however you want. Now, here you also have cell options, so if you click in any cell and then click on this cell options over here, you have background colors. You can basically clear them, you can delete columns, add them, etc. Okay, now you can also add columns or rows by basically kind of hovering like in between them, and then up top here, as you can see, it's going to give you the option to insert column, and over here it's going to give you the option to insert row. So anywhere in between them where you can see those dots, you can actually hover over them and add either columns or rows. So that's the next thing you can do. And then of course you could also kind of resize these to drag them around. You can go to table options down here where you can basically change different things. You could go and set different alignment options. You can distribute columns, etc. Okay, there's a bunch of different things you can do, but all of these can be achieved by just essentially clicking and dragging and like moving, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.